Cooking time today. See, my husband fried some bacon and I still have some sauce and tomato chunk in my closet or pantry. And then I have some parsley in my garden. So yeah, we're gonna cook some pasta today. This is calamansi citrus. We're gonna add that too. Of course, boiling some pasta. Pasta muna. And then the sauce. Kasi madali lang naman yung sauce. So we have some garlic, onion, parsley, bacon, calamansi from the garden, calamansi, tomato chunk, tomato dice, tomato sauce. Yun lang yun. That's it. Nalagay ko na ang sauce. And then, I'm just gonna season it. Adding as toppings beside the bacon. Almost done cooking. Mix the sauce in the pasta already. Now I'm gonna add the parsley. Yan. Okay, diba? Galing ko mag-vlog, do. Kaya na bahala dyan. Ayan na siya. Diba? Pasta galore. Simple lang. Bacon and sausage and parsley. Garlic and onion. And pork bouillon. Salt and pepper. Kain na.